How to become smarter in learning. Today, I want to discuss how you can enhance your learning abilities and think like a genius. Many people admire those who seem naturally smart, believing they possess an innate gift for understanding complex concepts quickly. However, I'm here to tell you that intelligence can be cultivated. As a professional learning coach, I help individuals of all ages improve their study habits and learning efficiency. First, it's essential to recognize that it is indeed possible to train your mind. Many students and professionals hold limiting beliefs about their ability to learn, often stemming from past negative academic experiences. These beliefs can create a fixed mindset, leading them to think they are incapable of learning in certain environments. However, research in neuroplasticity shows that the brain is adaptable and can reprogram itself. This understanding is liberating. If you've struggled academically, that doesn't have to define your future. Retraining your thought processes is not an overnight fix, it can take months or even years. Yet, with dedication, you can achieve academic freedom and feel empowered to seize learning opportunities. In this video, I'll outline some critical principles to help you on this journey. When we talk about genius, we often refer to traits like exceptional memory and deep understanding. A genius not only retains information but comprehends it at a profound level, applying it flexibly to solve complex problems. Therefore, we need to break down the components that contribute to good memory and understanding. Memory significantly depends on how well you encode information initially. High-quality encoding is crucial. Without it, retaining information becomes a tedious task of repetition. Deep processing, which involves connecting new information to existing knowledge and seeing it from various angles, greatly enhances understanding. This broader perspective allows you to apply knowledge in more nuanced ways. A useful framework for understanding learning levels is Bloom's taxonomy. It categorizes cognitive processes from lower-order learning, where information is viewed in isolation, to higher-order learning that involves analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Most common study techniques, like rote memorization, fall into the lower-order category, which is why they often yield limited results. To become a more effective learner, aim to move up the levels of learning. Start by identifying your current level and gradually incorporate strategies from the next tier. For example, if you primarily use rote memorization, try applying information to different contexts or creating relationships between concepts. Pre-study techniques can also enhance your learning. Before engaging with new material, spend a few minutes organizing the main ideas of the topic. This approach helps create a mental framework, making it easier to integrate new information when you encounter it. Another crucial strategy is delaying note-taking. Many students write down information as soon as they hear it, which can hinder their ability to process and understand the material. Instead, hold the information in your mind, think about it, and then take notes in your own words. This practice encourages deeper processing and better retention. In the long term, focus on increasing your cognitive load tolerance. Higher-order learning can feel uncomfortable and confusing, but it's essential for developing your ability to process complex information. Gradually expose yourself to more challenging material and embrace the confusion as a sign of growth. Finally, engage in critical reflection of your study techniques. Identify what works and what doesn't and be willing to adjust your methods. Understanding the theory behind effective learning can empower you to troubleshoot your study habits and enhance your academic performance. By implementing these short-term and long-term strategies, you can improve your memory, deepen your understanding, and ultimately train yourself to be smarter. The journey may be challenging, but with persistence, you can reshape your learning experience and unlock your potential.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.